Hey guys, my name is Dean Ginto from DinOnlinePitch.com, and you're watching one of my review videos for the new product launches for online training and software products. Now stick around with me here because I'll be making a review about this new product launch called One Dinero. Stay tuned. Now, in today's video, I'll be making a review and walkthrough of how the One Dinero works. Now, as a reminder, this new product launch will go live on November 8th at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So you'll be able to get access to One Dinero when this goes live. Now, I'm here inside of the members area of One Dinero. Now, to put this briefly, One Dinero is a brand new strategy by Johnny Rose and Jamie Lewis that gives users all of the following within 24 hours. You're gonna get a free email platform in this members area here, and you're also gonna get a 200 free email leads unique to each day from One Dinero user. You're gonna get a one quick email list completely done for you and delivered to users in under 24 hours. You're gonna get a responsive email list. These 200 email leads genuinely will want to buy offers that are mailed to them, and this is a highly profitable email list. Get hundreds of dollars can be made with your 200 email leads in one day. And this angle method and niche suits gets newbie sales consistently in their spare time without any experience or technical skills. Now, this is a course that stands apart from other concepts in internet marketing and is sure to complement all other business models your subs and members might be involved in. And this is one that you will not want to miss because it is exactly what you're looking for. It's the missing piece of every newbie's quest for online income. Now, I want to talk about the benefits of One Dinero. Now, the benefits of this product is this is a cutting-edge system that gives newbies exactly what they've been waiting for. Now, if you try this incredible cutting-edge software to start growing cash crops, I'm just gonna work on this platform with the as you can see here, they included traffic sources in this program, and it's gonna work. You don't need any experience of the following. You don't need experience because as soon as you follow along this training, then it's gonna work. You don't need any technical skills. You don't even have to build funnels. You don't have to create your website, business, or social media presence necessary. No selling or cold calling involved. Don't even have to do networking, marketing, and all that. Further is investment required because everything in this platform is provided for you inside of the members area. So it's pretty cool. I like this program so far. It's because as you can see here, now I'm gonna do a walkthrough really quick of the day One Dinero. So once you log in, this is how it's gonna look like. You're gonna have a welcome video from Johnny Rose in this video here. Now, to get started, all you gotta do is get access here. Introduction to day One Dinero over here. So as you can see, all this video trainings that you need to watch. Subscribe to Johnny's channel over here and join Team Build Club here. And this is where you can get your 200 free emails and free email platform using this technique over here. So, and scroll down more. So as you can see, there's a lot more to follow along with this training. Why the day One Dinero method is so powerful. Get free email leads with this training here. Now scroll down a little bit more. You're gonna find affiliate products to promote in this steps over here. And then 4, scroll down, start email affiliate offers to your email list in this section here. So as you can see, there's one, how to upload your 200 leads to get response, and over here is how to write an email. One here is how to send an email right over here, and here is the conclusion of the video here as well. Now moving up to traffic sources. So this is my favorite part because you cannot just send offers without traffic. And so as you can see here, they provided all the traffic that you need to get started with Day One Dinero. So as you can see here, yep, there's traffic in Craigslist, also Facebook fan page, or I do have a Facebook page, so might want to take advantage of this here. Udemy, solo ads. Here's traffic for me here. Google ads. You can get 150 free credit to get started over here. You can start with Bing ads, Medium over here, Mix, and Snapchat, 375 free credit. That's a lot to take advantage of. Traffic Tracker, and then the Facebook Blaster over here. So these are all your traffic sources. So make sure that you get all your affiliate offers ready, because you're going to be sending it to this offers over here. And then Copy Spinner. So email swipes, this is where you can pretty much go ahead and download. So you can have all the swipes that you need. Okay, let's go and download that one. Here is the campaigns. It's a zip file, so you want to make sure that you'll be able to open that zip file and save it to your documents, so that you have everything that you need for email swipes here. So this is where you spin the email swipes here. Just copy and paste it over here, and then just type in spin. Okay, and so yeah, and that's it. So all these 3 simple steps. But remember, to get started, there's a ton of video trainings that you'll be able to get access. If you keep scrolling down here, it's pretty much where you can find everything you need for training. So don't forget about that. You can get access it here. And the available upgrades, which I will be explaining to you later on, all these upgrades available for you to check out in this platform here. Here are the promotions, bonus spots. So as you can see here, free bonus, how I make 500 each from simple YouTube videos, and how you can too. So just click here, and as you can see here, this is how you can pretty much earn like 400,087 in 45 minutes real life case studies. So over here is the case studies. So look at this, 2, 3, 4, so 8 days. That's pretty cool. So this you will find out over here in this section. And then if you have any questions about One Dinero program, you can contact them over here. Jamie Lewis is available 24/7, so you can what you call a hire Jamie now. So if you're unsure of the steps that you need to follow along with this training, go ahead and click on this button here, and he'll be able to answer any of your questions with the program inside of the One Day Dinero. So that's it for the One Day Dinero, or Day One Dinero. It's pretty awesome. It's got all this useful tools, a lot to go through. You're going to be learning, and I think this is high valuable courses for you that you can check out. So a lot of traffic sources, which I love, and this is pretty much an all-in-one business model for you to start sending your offers to your it could be any traffic sources that you can get started. Once you have your email responder, go ahead and save your list, and you'll be able to build your list this way. And so this is Day One Dinero. Pretty awesome. Highly recommend this product. Now I've also put together a ton of custom bonuses for those of you who like to pick this up by my link, which is down below in the description of this video. Now if you click on the link, it's going to bring you through to my bonus page, which looks like this. And if you want to pick up One Day Dinero, this is going to go live on November 8th. That's when you'll be able to click on any of these green buttons here. That's going to go through to the sales page, which looks like this, and you're going to get a discount if you decide to click on the buttons of my link provided in the video. So as you can see here, you're going to get a discount, so make sure that you capture this discount. Click here to claim your discount. Once you've done that, and then it's going to take you over here to get instant access to Day One Dinero. Now you need to pick up before my countdown timer runs out onto my bonus page here, because when my countdown timer runs out, then all of my bonuses will disappear, and that's something obviously that I don't want you to miss out on. Okay, right over here, Now, to claim these bonuses, they are 100% free of charge and instantly will deliver to you. And all you need to do, first of all, is click on that link down below in this video to get access to my bonus page here. Just scroll down and click on any of these green buttons here. That's going to go through to the sales page, which looks like this. And that's where you can go ahead and pick this up. And now, if you have any questions about the bonuses, please feel free to follow me on my Facebook page. Send me a message right there, and I'm more than happy to answer any of your questions. Now, these bonuses that I'm offering to you, they just mentioned to you earlier is completely free of charge, even if you just pick up the front end, which is at time of recording this video is only going to be $17 in price. And also, you can upgrade your front end purchase for those of you who are interested in scaling up your online marketing needs, so you can get access to the upgrades to help meet your needs for your online business. Now, please consider checking out the upgrades if you want to increase your chances of earning more money. Right over here, you can see all the available upgrade that I put onto my bonus page. So again, you can click on the link down below in this video. You can pretty much access this information. So please make sure to consider reading all the upgrades available here. So as you can see, for the upgrade one is a done for you email marketing suite with 6,000 swipes. It's, you know, take advantage of the 6,000 swipes that you can use. OTO2 is the 10 times maximizer. Get your hands on hundreds of high ticket monetization affiliate programs and start raking in the big money. Upgrade number 3 is you can partner with Jamie. Imagine being able to meet with Jamie, the co-creator of One Dinero, every week in an exclusive members only class where Jamie will personally train you and act as your manager. You can be mentor and agent, pulling you up the hill. Not bad for this price. You know, someone who you can partner with him for this price, it's a steal. Then upgrade number 4 is the ultimate download. This is the ultimate business in a box, and not only will you be able to download actual advertising campaigns and keywords in a zip file, but it comes loaded with actual PSD templates, videos for white label use, and a ton of actual files and sites you can resell. Now, upgrade number 5, traffic on tap, traffic jacker. Get your Day One Dinero review seen by hungry buyers with Jamie Lee Lewis traffic generating software, which will blast your Day One Dinero review. And number 6, this is upgrade number 6, is the marketplace. Post your Day One Dinero review in Jamie's marketplace to guarantee lots of cash. You know, I like this upgrade. And then upgrade number 7 is the vendor edition. With this OTO upgrade, users will obtain resale rights of 5 of Jamie's most high converting funnels. This is only offered as an exclusive upgrade and is not available anywhere else on the net. Highly recommend taking a look at this amazing upgrades. It's going to help you increase your chances of earning more money for your affiliate business. And so, you know, make sure to check out One Day Dinero. Take advantage of those upgrades because I think they are worth a shot. And with the online business nowadays, you can't just do all free programs nowadays. You're gonna start investing on it. In my opinion, I'm not saying spend like thousands and thousands of dollars, but you know, invest here and there is a great way to start earning money with the online business. And so that's pretty much it for my review. This brings me to the end of this video, and I want to thank you so much for watching my One Day Dinero review, and I hope you enjoy my review video, and make sure to click the link below to purchase One Day Dinero at a discounted price. And also don't forget to pick up my free bonuses that you can check out down below in the description of this video. Now I'll see you guys on to my next video, and thanks again for watching my review video. Now make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on to my next video.